Hey everyone, Harrison from the VoiceForm team here, and thanks for checking out this video. Super excited to talk about today's topic matter. It's all about how to think about using generative AI in the context of surveys. So we'll be going through what is generative AI, how you can apply it to the context of customer feedback or creating surveys in general, and the huge benefits that we see this type of technology will have on saving time, the time it takes for your team to create surveys or create customer interactions that really get you the data you are looking for based on your goals and objectives. So we'll kick it off by just talking a little bit more about what is generative AI. So it's a form of artificial intelligence that uses machine learning to basically create new, novel, and unique content. And what's really cool about this is you can think about it as a way to leverage or harness information that comes from all corners of the internet to create content that's specific to your needs. So, what goals you have, what kind of considerations, for example, in the context of a survey, what information are you looking to collect? And then it also takes into account, historic information, customer trends, market information, and more to create content that's perfect for you. And it does this in a matter of seconds. It's a fantastic type of technology. And as a team at VoiceForm, we see this as a capability that unlocks so much potential for surveys. So let's talk a little bit more how we could see this technology being used in the context of a survey. And the way that we look at it is that when you're leveraging existing data sets, when applying it with AI to create a survey and form, we see it as a fantastic opportunity to basically look at your goals, look at your objectives and your customers as a whole, and create survey questions leveraging all of this great information in seconds. So it takes into account, for example, if you're doing a customer feedback survey, what are your goals for the survey? What metrics or what data are you looking to collect? And then you can also feed in other aspects, historic information about surveys that you've sent, customer trends, market considerations, and more to create a survey that exactly meets your goals, whether it be from how to ask the questions, the number of questions to add in your survey, the types of questions. You can use generative AI to look at what works best for you and create the survey that's perfect. And again, that really just lies into why do we see huge benefit in this. One, it saves your team a ton of time. You're no longer relying on your knowledge alone to create the optimal survey. You're using the knowledge of the internet to do this. And that's a fantastic thing. But then you're also layering in your own business or use case specific context. So data that's not widely available to further enhance or improve upon, what the knowledge of the internet provides you. So you can tailor it to have questions be, written in a voice that's aligned to your brand, asking questions in a way that makes sense, not missing out on questions you may have previously asked your customers and now want to build on that. So there's all that great unique knowledge that you can layer in to create this survey. But generative AI is just a great way to save your team a ton of time, gives you the outline or the baseline of what it sees as the great questions that you should be asking, and then you can customize it to meet your specific needs. So I think that's one thing, even for myself personally, I've come to learn as I've tried different tools that leverage generative AI is they typically give you a great baseline, an outline or a framework of based on the knowledge of what's out there in the world. This is what you should put into your survey, but ultimately it needs customization. So you can use it as that great jump off point and then use your own business knowledge to adjust the questions, customize it, and more. And ultimately, that is what we have to say as the first kind of start or foray into this topic matter. We're going to be posting a lot more on this. And we're also going to be starting to introduce these types of concepts into VoiceForm. And we would love to chat with you more if you're interested in seeing how we're going to be applying it at VoiceForm to really speed up how you create your surveys and forms, no longer needing to sift through outdated or limited templates or have to scour the internet to come up with questions for yourself, but help automate that and visualize that process for you right in our platform. So really excited to bring those to you. More to come on that. You can follow us along at voiceform.com. Check out this blog if you have more questions on our website. But again, we're learning this in real time and seeing some amazing outcomes on how generative AI can be applied to surveys and forms. So excited to learn with you, excited to launch these new capabilities, and feel free to reach out to us anytime with more. Thanks so much for checking out this video.